the shape there. I will find a new design, explore the more and more options we are using there. It's a new design, have a structure in this way. I will find it. So let's create a new shape, add a point near it. So we will use that brush to unhide the shapes under it. So you can also do that strategy to make the designs like that. It's a Photoshop. You can learn more. If you will subscribe my channel, you will get the update about the editing on the different softwares and apps on